Umupo ka na. Tinakot si Patan. Umupo ka na. Alam mo ba tayo? Dali, nagkakagulo. Sabi ko na magkakagulo sa wedding kaya ayoko sumami. See, this is what I'm telling you. That's why I don't want to go. I will get all the attention. Okay, we're hiding. We're on the meeting right now. I want to go home. Hindi kinaya ng powers ko yung bigla ang... It's not gonna be okay. Let's go. Patan, ayaw mo makinig sa akin. Nagmamalditan na ako. Nababadtrip na ako eh. Oh, natum. Nahatak niya ako. Ay, they are very kind, Dad. Don't take it wrong. Don't take it wrong. Just the crowd anxiety, sorry. That's a problem, not them, okay? That's the look, oh. Try mo hawak ko kay Mukchar. You want to go, you go. Not in the mood now. Hoy, I'm really sorry. This vlog is sabotage. Hindi ako makapag-isip, Patan. Shoota ka kasi. Buisit ka. Ulok sa'yo.